What is up, everybody? My name is George and welcome back to another one of my videos. So today, in this video, I'm gonna be bleaching my hair. Sounds like a really bad idea, but I know that it's a bad idea. Plus, you probably couldn't even imagine what I would look like with blonde hair. But bleaching is nothing new to me. I have actually bleached my hair for like several months in college. So I'm completely... When I used to go to college, I guess I was like pretty well known for having bleached hair. As a matter of fact, a bunch of other schoolmates didn't know what I looked like without bleached hair. Now what you're gonna be needing for this is some bleach powder and clairol. Clairol, is that how you pronounce it? So yeah, I'm using 40 developer. Now this might seem like a bad idea for people with natural hair, but I am not bleaching the longer hairs. Instead, I'm bleaching the sides. Now whenever it comes to the sides, I don't exactly care about like how strong it is, because I shave my hair every week, so it doesn't even matter. But they normally recommend that you use, I think, 20 or 30 developer when it comes to your longer hairs, because it takes a little bit longer to process the hair, but it tends not to damage as much. Okay, so going straight in, I'm gonna be using this dusty application brush that I got from like a hair dye packet, and I'm just gonna put it in my little aluminum, put my measurement of bleach in this aluminum bowl that I have here. We want an adequate amount. We don't want like too much. About half of this bag would be suitable, I guess. There's like bleach dust everywhere. Be very careful not to breathe this stuff in. Once our bleach powder is in there, I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty much in there. Now when it comes to the developer, I haven't tested this developer yet, and I bought it from like an Asian variety store where they sell everything. So I've had experiences where I've bought things from Asian variety stores and they have turned out to be complete knockoffs. The latest one was my deodorant, and it says 24 hours. What they should have put on it was 12 hours. As a matter of fact, 5 hours, because it doesn't work for that long. And I think I bought like a bottle of sunscreen, and when I put it on my face, it would be easier to explain what was happening to your face if you just mixed flour and water and just smeared it on and just went out the door, because my face was literally white. We want a decent amount of bleach in here, of clairol in here, developer. Now, when we're mixing the bleach, we just kind of want sort of like a solid consistency. Not too runny, not too solid, not too chunky. We just want something that is just kind of like in the middle. See, at the moment it's kind of like too sticky. So like, see, it needs a little bit more developer in there. Because I'm just doing my shorter hairs, this won't require a lot of bleach, so I'm being quite lenient. I'm not sure like if I'm gonna be bleaching my hair for any long periods of time, because I don't know, we'll just have to see. Okay, so as you can see, oh, that smells toxic. I remember all the memories flooding back in. So as you can see, it's not too runny and it's not too solid. It's just kind of like a sort of like a paste. We don't want the bleach to run, we just want the people who sees us in public to run, preferably in the opposite direction. So we're gonna start the application. I may have to mix up a little bit more bleach because I don't think this is gonna be enough. But honestly, I never usually used a lot of bleach beforehand. So we're gonna see how this one goes. I'm gonna do the front first, and then off camera I'm gonna finish up the back. Taking our time, we just kind of line the entire thing. I think I'm gonna need to mix a little bit more bleach. Okay, so I'm gonna do the back portion off camera, so I'll be back.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so I've done the back portion. As you can see, I had to use 2 mirrors to see what I was doing. One mirror was like mounted in the other one in my hand, obviously, and the brush in my hand. So currently I just have to wait 30 minutes for this thing to process. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing like a bunch of other stuff anyways, so I'll be back when it's finished, and I'll just wash it out and show you what it looks like.
20 minutes later.
We're back, and as you can see, it's finally done. My hair is literally dripping wet because I washed it out, obviously. And I mean, this is normally what it looks like the first time I bleach it. If I wanted it to be of a lighter color than this is more of a light brown. It's not exactly, you know, the type of blonde that I normally go for. But the next time I do bleach my hair again, it will be sort of like white-ish blonde. It'll be way lighter than this one. But to be honest, I don't have the time today to reapply another coat of bleach just for this. And I don't think I'm going to be doing a video of like reapplying the coat. Maybe not. I don't know. But I guess that's just it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed watching me do this. I don't even know if I want to keep like the bleached hair. I'm probably either going to have to shave until the bleach comes off, or just buy a bottle of black rinse. I don't know what I'm going to be doing yet. I'm going to be uploading another video showing you how I bleach my mustache. You can look out for that video. Enough said. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like the video, consider subscribing if you're new, and hit that notification bell to be one of the first persons to know when I make an upload. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.